Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today I'm gonna demo to you a highly recommended app for the new year 2020, and I hope that this app can help you through the year and maybe stick around till the end of the year, since it is very useful, especially to those who want to have records of receipts, IDs, and other documents that you can use for legal or business purposes. So typically you would want to record a receipt or something like just like this with the camera app, and that is good. So I'm gonna show it to you. Okay, get it to a bright room and beside a window perhaps. Okay, that's it. That's a good photo right there. You can send it to a friend, but are you really ready to send it to a business partner or someone that you want to have business interactions with? Or would you want to send this to legal counsel, if you will? So this is just an example. So this is the output of the camera. You can see the detail when you zoom it in. Yeah, you can even see the detail on the paper. So all of the cameras in modern Android or iOS smartphone is very, very good right now. So you have this. You can also see the outer edge of the paper. So that can be very noisy when you send it to someone. It is okay to send it to a friend though. But PhotoScan is an app from Google that you can download for free on Google Play Store. So this is a Google Pixel 2 XL, and all you have to do is download, start the app, and then it's like a camera app, but it's got more of a smarter feature when it comes to capturing documents. So we're gonna do the same thing that we did with the camera app and position photo within the frame. Okay, there's a green check. And then the same thing with the camera app. You can see a preview or the final output of the document. So see the difference. From the camera app, you see the edge of the material. If you want to go with this is the camera. This is the PhotoScan. So the PhotoScan managed to take away the unnecessary clutter outside the edge of the document and process it with the same degree of detail as the camera app. So you can certainly use this for IDs, for documents, for receipts that needs to be compiled for your own safekeeping or for sharing with others. And this will be very useful, and if this is for you, then download it now. It's for free. And if you like this video, guys, like and subscribe to Sydney CBD Repair Center. And till next time, cheers.